Mumbai Cooperative Society, Kandarpada. Good evening to everybody, my seniors, my dear friends, and all. I will speak about the rainwater harvesting. All of you know that water is very important. It is a God gift, and we are getting it from the nature. So now, always or every year, we are suffering the short supply of water. So how to save, how to collect the water, that is nothing but the harvesting. During the monsoon, we are getting the water, plenty of water is wasting. 60% of water, rainwater is wasting, and that we have to collect and with the proper channel and restore it, and again it is to be recycled. That is nothing but the rainwater harvesting. Now how it is to be done, वो कैसा करना है? So that is to be done. That first method is terrace top water. You have to collect through the rainwater in the ground in the storage to be filtered with the filter media. Filter media means it is to be filled up with the charcoal, liquid cobra, gravel, and that water will be filtered. After filtration, it is to be collected in the storage tank, and it is to be recycled for their flushing purpose. That is nothing but the car washing, gardening, floor washing, and other domestic work. You can use that filter water. So this is nothing but the first method of recycling the rainwater. Rainwater is nothing but the harvesting. Second method, recharging the ground. That is nothing but the day by day underground water is decreasing. It is going lower and lower and lower. So we have to improve the groundwater, and that is so for that we have to excavate the pit to the topsoil. Topsoil means garden area, playground area, open space area. That area we have to excavate. We have to do the bore on that, and that bore we have to fill up, and that is to be recharged. So this is also second method of the recycling or the harvesting the water out to save the water. Third method, that is whatever the surface water in the open space or the surrounding area, it is to be collected through the channel, through the drain, in the particular direction, particular position, and that is to be recycled. That is to be filtered, and again it is to be used. This is nothing but these are nothing but the methods of the harvesting, which is very simple, which can be done very easily, which can be done very fast, and without any economical or cost factor. So this is nothing but a simple method that we can do in the society. There are so many other methods also that we can create artificial percolation pit, artificial arrangement, so many things we can do. But in the society level, we are saying in the society. So society level, we can do this simple method, how to recycle, how to save drop of water. This concept is already developed in the foreign country. Now we are developing it, not to waste single drop of water. So that we can do by this way, that rainwater is to be collected, it is to be filtered, and that it is to be again recycled. This is nothing but the method of harvesting, and we can do it, and it is very easy, without any maintenance, without any cost, means initial cost, we can develop this in our society. So this is nothing but the harvesting layout. It is known as harvesting layout. With respect to Mahanagaraparika, they are giving the priority for the harvesting layout. Means they are giving support. If you have the proper channel, proper way of harvesting, if you have done the harvesting properly, then Mahanagaraparika is giving concession in the maintenance. Monthly maintenance, that is nothing but the municipal tax. म्यूनसिपल टैक्स में वो थोड़ा कंसेशन देते हैं. वाटर सप्लाई आपका रिड्यूस हो जाएगा. अल्टीमेटली इट विल सेव योर कॉस्ट ऑफ द वाटर बिल. अल्टीमेटली इट विल सेव द कॉस्ट ऑफ योर म्यूनसिपल टैक्स, एंड यू कैन यूज 24 hour water by doing this harvesting layout. If any doubt or any consultation you want, you can come, you can phone me, you can ask me. I will give you the consultation without any fee, without any charges.